Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And was at Walmart and looking for an FM transmitter so I can run my phone through the old standard here. Most of your new vehicles have got auxiliary, and you can plug it into the earpiece, or you can actually buy a new adapter that'll plug in and it'll fit your C-jack, maybe, I can't remember, but there is one that'll fit that. So I caught this one. It was $29, and we're gonna go ahead and I somewhat unboxed it, but this is what you get. I've had a couple different ones and they don't work that well. It's got two USBs, and then of course you got your regular in your cigarette. Keep that down. We're going to try and find a location. I think the first thing we got to do, we got to go into settings. We're looking connection, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, on for looking for another plug-in. That's not familiar. It's looking. Bluetooth connected. Okay, so it quit looking to see what. See, it's unconnected. Not paired with anybody. Looking. Back on, connect. Turn on, look for nearby device. Why it's not connected? What's it looking for? Aux input, output, manual, play. Let's see. Automatically when plugged in. Car charger, car, cigarette lighter, power. Select any of the frequencies. Turn on FM. Select for frequency same as that of the device. We're going to go back in. Press channel button. We're not. It hasn't connected to my phone. Select USB, soft function. Press soft function. Let's see, Bluetooth hands-free. It's immediately released for phone. Music, switch music, source, files, and connection to Bluetooth device. Device equipped with built-in Bluetooth chip. Can connect to another handful of devices. Pairing function will activate them automatically when the device is powered on. Within the Bluetooth logo blinking in the display, please search the device with VM201 and then connect the device. Memory function will automatically memorize it. So let's see, we need to, I'm still looking for, there it is. Okay, available devices. Okay, pair. I just didn't go down far enough. Okay, it stopped blinking. It is now paired. Okay, so now let's see. Let's find a channel. That's 101.79. Let's see if that's available. So we're going to seek. Okay, seek. get as close as we can. One 7.9. Let's see if it'll kick in. All right. Got nothing. Got nothing there. So this is paired. Let's go to my Odyssey and see if it plays. Oh yes. Beautiful. Okay. That sounds great. Okay, now what you want to do is lock that into your preset saved so you know where it is. Okay, so now the next thing, play music from your mobile phone. After successfully connecting, just go to whatever you want to do, and then it automatically pause next on mobile phone or device. Let's see, you can also operate music playing for the volume pause. Okay, so when this is up, you can adjust. We can adjust it with this, or pause it. Beautiful. Okay. Bluetooth hands-free function. When there's an incoming call, press and immediately release the phone button to answer incoming calls. If you want to end the call, please press and immediately release the phone button. You can redial the last calling number by double pressing the phone button. Select an incoming call. You can press and hold the button for 3 seconds and reject it. Okay, where's our phone? Where's our phone button? Oh, okay, that's this. Okay, there's your phone button. That's your big knob. So let's see. How do I make a phone call? Let's see. Loop playback settings, folder selections. Okay, when the device is playing music from an SD card disk, press and hold either one of these, and that'll select where you want to go. So there we go. Let's see, how do we make a phone call? Aux input. The device supports external audio source input. You can play audio from anything and finish. Okay, so that would be this one here, and then plugging it in the other side or bottom. Okay, you have an aux on this side, so you can plug that in and then plug it into, if you've got a phone that's got a jack, you can go ahead and use that. Let's see, switching. Let's see if I can make a hands-free. Okay, when there is an incoming call, you just press this button here. Let's see, playing music, action, Bluetooth, loop back. Let's see. I don't see where it says making a phone call. Oh, maybe you can. Quick. Press M until you get oh, cool. Okay. You actually have a equalizer. Push the M button. Okay, so that gives you a function for aux. Press again. That sends that. Okay, let's see. Press enter until the equal is displayed. Press back and forth. That's showing that, but I don't see I see your auxiliary. Press M button. Adjust EQ. Okay, normal. There you go. Pop, rock, jazz, classic, soft, low bass, normal. Let's go back around. Let's go back to low bass. Oh, rock, jazz, classic, soft, low bass. Let's see if that'll change it. Soft, classic, oh, jazz. Change low bass. Why did I do that? Low bass. Oh. Alright. So we'll go. Okay, low bass, normal. Let's go pop. Or let's that. And that should stay, okay, and then it's gonna go back to normal. Awesome. Okay, so that takes care of that. Let's see, I wonder if I can incoming calls, press. You want to redial last call number by double pressing the button. Okay, so Bluetooth hand free. Okay, when you get an incoming call, immediately press that. Press the center. The button to answer. Incoming calls. If you want to end the call, just immediately press the button. Immediately release. If you want to redial your last number, press and double press the number. Press the button. So we're going to go from here, calling the phone number. What was recent? Oh, okay. So we'll go back in. Let's see. Talk to her.
Yeah?
Hey.
Hey, can I help you?
Yeah. How about do you want food? Do you want food in Cohocton tonight?
Oh, that's what you meant?
That's what I meant.
Yes, I do, please.
Okay, you gotta call them, tell them what we want.
You don't have to tell me what you want.
Well, I guess we're just getting a standard fish fry.
Oh no, I'm getting mine stuffed with crab meat.
Oh, okay.
I'm not getting a fish fry. I'm getting broiled with crab meat.
Okay, sounds good.
Is that what you're getting? Or are you getting a fish fry?
I think I'm just gonna get a standard fish fry to try it.
Okay. So you're gonna have to tell me what you want. Are you coming upstairs or?
Yeah, I'm trying that Bluetooth
Oh, okay.
transmitter that I picked up, so it appears to be working.
You want me to?
Good.
You want me to wait until you come upstairs?
Sure, yeah, I'll be up in a few minutes. I gotta get the Jeep in there, get those tires swapped out.
Okay, and you got to talk to her about the subframe because I made the mistake of mentioning it, and now she's panicking.
No, great. Okay.
Okay, love you too. Bye.
Bye. Okay, so you see that worked well with no issues. All right, and then last one here I was looking at USB charging functions. That's it's 5 DC charging. Interface with that. No, that's not that. You got to get a regular. I don't have a regular charger. I've got that thing there. So, last one was you can press and hold the phone for 3 seconds to activate the 1, 2, 3. Okay, to put it to sleep. the car's charging function is still active in this mode, so that means it's still activated. So I can kick it back on. Okay, she's back on again. And then, of course, this is dead. All right, there we are. So thanks for watching. All right. Okay, that's all the way. There we go. So you adjust this and get your volume here set where you want it. Also, this phone. Okay, so there we go. Set that way you want it. Set that right about 25 or so. I think that's good. Alright, so there we go. If you want to go louder, you can go louder with your main one here. So it takes care of that. Alright. Now if I don't get for a copyright hit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And I'll catch up on this. This is it's not a, I don't think it's a Walmart brand. Yeah, it is Walmart. They've gone to auto drive. I think they came from they dropped that other brand. I haven't seen the other brand. I can't remember what it was now. For their auto needs, but this is auto drive and it's a Walmart brand. So right now I recommend it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next Dana Crosby's vlog.